Coming to you from inside my RV because it's got good lighting. I need good lighting to show you this because this is a skin product. This is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump from Tarte. I've had this for like a week or two. I have been using it and I have a lot of good things to say. This is the white peach. This is what she looks like, right? Kind of an unassuming look, little clicky pen bottom here. You don't want to like crank this thing up too much. You know how clickies are usually reserved for liquid pens, teeth whitener, for body care stuff, you know. This one is, it looks like a solid. It is a solid, but as soon as you put it on your lips, and my lips are dry right now, by the way, like they need some plumping action. As soon as you put this to your lips, the heat from them like melts this. It turns into butter. And so you don't want to over click this. I only give it 1 or 2 clicks per use. Otherwise, it's probably going to get all mushy, and I don't think there's a way you can get it to go back down. Let's do it. Let's give it 2 clicks. I gave it 3. You can barely see it's barely coming off there, but that's going to be plenty. So let's put it on. Can you see that it just melts instantly? And this stuff is so creamy, so buttery. I'm instantly getting a little tingle, a really pleasant tingle, nothing bad, and it doesn't taste bad. It's kind of minty. If you've used a lip plumper, you know what I mean, but this is not like a crazy lip plumper. Some of them can like sting. A little bit of plumping action is really nice to have, especially if I'm going to be heading out. It gives a nice neutral color. I love the feel of this, super smooth. Again, don't over click, because I don't think you can take it back, and you don't need much at all. I mean, it feels like it's on there thick right now. How we doing? Have I made you feel uncomfortable yet? Because I feel uncomfortable, so welcome to my party.